Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best pressure washer you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best pressure washer on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best pressure washer are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is LWQ Electric Pressure Washer. Whether you're washing your car, refreshing your patio, or blasting away grime on fences, this pressure washer is a reliable and effective tool to have on hand. The LWQ Electric Pressure Washer delivers powerful performance and versatile functionality for a wide range of cleaning tasks. While it may be a bit noisy and require an electrical connection, its cleaning efficiency and user-friendly features more than compensate for these minor drawbacks. The LWQ pressure washer excels in tackling a wide range of cleaning tasks. It efficiently removes dirt, mold, and grime from surfaces such as fences, patios, and vehicles. The adjustable nozzles provide excellent versatility, while the foam cannon ensures a thorough and sudsy wash for cars or other delicate surfaces, compact and easy to maneuver with a convenient hose reel and ergonomic handle. Features a robust design with sturdy materials, ensuring long-term reliability. Comes with a dedicated foam cannon, ideal for car washing or applying cleaning solutions. Includes 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees nozzles for customized cleaning. From concentrated power to a broader spray, boasts 4,200 psi and 2.5 GPM, delivering superior cleaning power for heavy-duty tasks, perfect for those who want professional-level cleaning at home. The foam cannon and adjustable nozzles are great for detailed car washing. Ideal for cleaning patios, driveways, and outdoor furniture. With an impressive 4,200 psi and 2.5 GPM output, this machine makes cleaning fast and efficient. Our second best pressure washer is PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer. If you're looking for a reliable and robust pressure washer that combines power, versatility, and ease of use, the PowRyte model is a fantastic choice. A dedicated foam cannon attachment allows for effective soap application, perfect for car washing and other gentle cleaning tasks. Includes 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees quick connect tips for adjustable pressure levels to suit different cleaning needs. Delivers a powerful 4,800 psi at 2.8 GPM, making it suitable for both light and demanding cleaning jobs. Lightweight and portable with an ergonomic handle and easy-to-use hose management system built with high-quality materials, ensuring longevity and consistent performance. Perfect for driveway, patio, and outdoor furniture cleaning. The foam cannon provides an excellent car washing experience, suitable for those seeking professional-level cleaning at home without hiring a service. The PowRyte pressure washer delivers excellent cleaning results across a variety of surfaces. The high-pressure output makes quick work of tough stains on driveways and patios, while the adjustable nozzles provide flexibility for different cleaning tasks. The foam cannon is a standout feature, making it easy to apply soap evenly, especially when cleaning vehicles or siding. The PowRyte Electric Pressure Washer offers exceptional power and versatility for a variety of cleaning tasks, with an impressive 4,800 psi and 2.8 GPM output. Number 3 in our list is Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer. The EPX 3500 delivers consistent and efficient cleaning. The 2,500 psi output is perfect for breaking down grime, while the 5 interchangeable nozzles allow for tailored cleaning on delicate or heavy-duty surfaces. The anti-tipping design is a thoughtful feature, preventing frustrating interruptions during use. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 Electric Pressure Washer is a well-rounded cleaning tool, delivering reliable performance and convenience. With a maximum of 2,500 psi and 1.76 GPM, it is designed for tackling a wide variety of cleaning tasks, from vehicles and fences to patios and driveways. Its anti-tipping design, onboard soap tank, and Pro-Style Steel Wand enhance usability and functionality includes 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap nozzles, offering versatile pressure settings for various surfaces and applications, provides up to 2,500 psi with 1.76 GPM, making it powerful enough for medium to heavy-duty cleaning tasks. A built-in soap tank simplifies detergent application for enhanced cleaning power on tough stains, durable and ergonomically designed, providing a professional grade feel and precise control. The low-profile design ensures the washer stays stable during use, even on uneven surfaces, easy to transport and store, with a user-friendly design for convenience, perfect for vehicle maintenance. With the soap nozzle, simplifies patio, fence, and deck cleaning, great for routine cleaning tasks around the house. Fourth recommendation in our side is Kärcher K1700 Electric Pressure Washer. If you're looking for a durable and efficient pressure washer for home use, the Kärcher K1700 is a solid and practical choice. Convenient foot switch eliminates the need to bend down, enhancing ease of use, provides up to 2,125 psi, which is ideal for cleaning cars, driveways, siding, and patios. Compact design with oversized wheels makes it easy to move around your cleaning area. Built-in tank allows for hassle-free detergent application, improving efficiency for tough cleaning jobs. Comes with a selection of nozzles for tailored cleaning, including a turbo nozzle for high-intensity tasks. The Kärcher K1700 performs well for general home use. The 2,125 psi ensures sufficient power for removing grime and dirt, while the turbo nozzle provides extra intensity for stubborn areas. The start/stop foot switch is an innovative addition that simplifies operation. The built-in detergent tank adds convenience, especially for washing vehicles or treating heavily soiled areas. The Kärcher K1700 electric pressure washer is a well-balanced machine offering convenience, functionality, and sufficient power for most household cleaning tasks. The thoughtful design features, such as the start/stop foot switch and compact build, make it an excellent choice for casual users. Last in our top 5 best pressure washer list is Greenworks 2000 psi pressure washer. If you need a reliable, portable pressure washer for regular household chores, the Greenworks GPW 2003 delivers excellent performance at a competitive price. The Greenworks 2000 psi GPW 2003 pressure washer is a practical, affordable option for homeowners seeking a reliable cleaning tool for everyday tasks. Its compact size, onboard detergent applicator, and ease of use make it a standout for casual cleaning jobs. While it may lack the power for large-scale or heavy-duty projects, it's a dependable and efficient choice for maintaining your home and outdoor spaces. The Greenworks GPW 2003 provides enough power to handle common household cleaning tasks. Its open frame design ensures the motor stays cool during extended use, and the quick connect nozzles allow you to switch between cleaning modes easily. The 2000 psi is sufficient for blasting away dirt, while the 1.2 GPM flow rate conserves water effectively. Electric operation and efficient water use appeal to those looking for greener solutions. Ideal for light-duty cleaning like washing cars, patio furniture, or small driveways. Simple and intuitive operation makes it great for occasional use. The lightweight build and large wheels make it easy to move and maneuver. Includes multiple nozzle tips for versatility, such as 0 degrees, 25 degrees, and a soap nozzle suitable for removing dirt and grime from surfaces like siding, driveways, and decks. Ensures easy storage and improved ventilation.